Welcome the our channel. Today we how to authorize Ahrefs alerts for broken link opportunities. Quick tutorial step. Open your web browser and navigate to the Ahrefs website. Log into your Ahrefs account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the Alerts tab on the main dashboard. Click on the Alerts tab to access the Alerts section. In the Alerts dashboard, look for the Create Alert button. Click on the Create Alert button to start setting up your alerts. Select the type of alert you want to set up, in this case, choose Broken Link. Enter the domain name you want to monitor for broken link opportunities. Adjust the settings to specify how often you want to receive alerts. You can choose between daily, weekly, or monthly notifications. Next, choose the email address where you want to receive these alerts. Check the box to receive notifications for newly found and lost broken links. You can add additional filters to narrow down your results if needed. Once you've configured all your settings, click on Create Alert to finalize it. You will see a confirmation message indicating your alert has been set. Now, go back to the Alerts dashboard to view your created alerts. Your broken link opportunity alert is now active and will notify you as specified. Keep an eye on your email for new notifications regarding broken link opportunities. You can always return to the Alerts section to modify or delete your alerts as needed. With these steps, you are now successfully authorized to receive alerts for broken link opportunities in Ahrefs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.